Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Nikki and today I'm going to be doing a iPhone unboxing. I've been waiting to do this because I got it delivered yesterday and I've been waiting just for this video to unbox this and I'm really excited about it. I have the iPhone 10 right now. It's cracked at the bottom. The camera quality sucks, which is a huge reason why I decided to upgrade to the 12 besides my phone being cracked and I have no more memory left on my old phone. I did get the 128 gigabyte. Yeah, I had to wait about 2 weeks to get my phone and it finally came. So I want to make this video for anyone who isn't sure whether they should upgrade or not, because I feel like a lot of people are thinking that right now, like, should I bother spending another $1,000 on an iPhone that really isn't that different? And I would say, oh look, there it is. I definitely want to see if it's really worth the money, you know, because not a lot of people have an extra $1,000 to throw. I never had the iPhone 11 because I didn't see a point in upgrading. Now that I've had the 10 for 2 years, I definitely think it's worth it to upgrade, mainly for the camera, and I don't have any more memory, so ooh. It definitely feels heavy. This one feels a little lighter than this one. Obviously it's the Pro. I have a case on, but it is a little bigger. My old iPhone 10 was a silver, so I kind of stuck to it, but clearly this back is shiny and this one is very matte. I knew beforehand that it was gonna look like the iPhone 5, and I actually hate how the iPhone 5 looked. I had the iPhone 5 when it was out and I just hated it, but I know you can make it stand now, which is really cool. So now if you want to watch videos or you want to FaceTime, you can just put it. Obviously the controversial thing about the iPhone is how it doesn't come with a power adapter anymore because they wanted to save the environment. Sure, whatever makes you sleep at night. The box is really skinny. I'm gonna throw this out, but if you wanted to see the box, this is what it looks like. It is USB-C, if that's what you're here for. I have been using a USB-C. I bought one on Amazon for like $24, and they aren't expensive, and they do charge your phone insanely quickly in 2 hours. I haven't heard anything about the battery life. We'll see how that goes. So I'm just setting it up. I mainly want to see how the camera is on this. Face ID. Create a passcode. Okay, it asked me if I wanted to transfer my apps and I said no. Now I'm gonna log in. I never updated my phone to the new, what's it called? The new update where you can customize your background. I never did that. So I'm really interested to see what it looks like. Okay, terms and conditions. Apple Pay, I'll set that up later. No. 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 Yes. I do like the dark, but I'll do that for nighttime. Swipe up. Here we go. I actually have to go to Verizon and get a new SIM card because this phone's supposed to be 5G and I have a really old SIM card. Okay, so this is the camera. This is me. I'll take this photo. And the back camera is really what I'm interested in. Wow. That looks good. That's my dog, Puppy. Okay, so I'm going to test out my camera and I'm going to take pictures of my dog. Wow, you're so pretty. Wide angle shot. Oh. Zoom. And regular. And for selfies, this has really great lighting. Compare it to my old phone. Yeah, wow, I think there's a huge difference. The iPhone 12 really goes into detail in the picture, so it looks very crisp, and the lighting definitely is better. So I'm just gonna re-download everything that is on my old phone to my new phone manually, but I want to put on these phone cases that I bought from Wildflower. This is the one I actually want to put on, and I bought this one because I love pink, but I couldn't resist this cute butterfly. It's already telling me my iCloud storage is full, but I'm not paying for any more so they can hack me. Really cute phone case. This is gonna be cute in pictures, and I got this pink flame one. Oops. And this is with the pink one. How cute. I love this one. I already got a bunch of fingerprints, the sides, because it's chrome. So that's basically all that I have for this unboxing video. I did spend over $1,000 for a new phone camera, and so that way I can do this. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'm already gonna break this phone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or message me on my Instagram. I will always message you back. I'm probably gonna be doing a review along with what's on my iPhone once I finish downloading everything, but from, I think, first impressions, I'm glad I upgraded, and I'm glad they didn't raise the prices on this. But I think honestly it's just about the camera and the 5G. But does the 5G even really matter if you don't live anywhere that doesn't have 5G? I'll let you know in my next video. So thank you guys for watching this one, and I'll see you guys in hopefully my next one. Subscribe and leave a like. Okay, bye guys.